So we've covered all these parts. And the assignment I'll give my assignment from last class again. I'll give assignment on that table you created. You're going to format it. I'll give assignment to format. I told you to go and read about table formatting HTML table. If you've not read about it, go and read about it now. You can write it down. Formatting HTML table. Go and read about it because that's the assignment I'll give. I'll add it to today's class. Will be on formatting table. All right. That one is your work to read. Formatting HTML table. Let me type it on my notepad. You see attributes like BG color, attribute like is it span? Yeah. But let's go for today's class. Okay, so today we are entering something new. CSS. So what is CSS? CSS means cascading style sheet. Are we there? I need feedback. Oh. Don't meet. Okay. Cascading style sheet. All right. So how does it work? Well, it doesn't work anyhow anymore. It was different from HTML, yeah, but they work hand in hand. That I'm about saying. All right, let me close this work here. All right, I beg. So close. So I'm closing something. Please do the same thing. If you're running multiple apps, please close so that your system will have RAM memory to run. If not, it will start freezing soon. No, you remember I was streaming. I'm already at 7%. So I'm closing even WhatsApp. I'll open it again when I need to open it. Streaming is heavy thing on the system. If you're running multiple browser, please run only one browser. I'm back to 60%. Perfect. So let me open Sublime Text. Don't close Zoom. All right. So we are Sublime Text right now. Today we're going to create a new folder. Not even this one. Anyway. Are we here? So we'll create a new folder inside this HTML folder. Let's call it CSS. So I created a new folder from here. Is my screen big enough? My text. All right. So inside CSS, let's start. I'm going to say okay. I'm going to say okay. I'm going to create a new folder again. New folder class 1. Another CSS. All right. Inside class 1, I'm going to create a new folder called I'm creating a new file rather. The new file will be called index.html. All right. If you're here, let me know. Create a new folder called CSS. Create a new folder called class 1. Create a new file called index.html. CSS class _1 index.html. Let's go. Make it happen. Index CSS class 1. If you name your folder with uppercase, you're wrong. If you're naming your folder name or your file name with uppercase,
What did
you're
you
wrong.
say?
If you're naming your folder with uppercase, you're wrong. Princess, where are you going to? It doesn't say folder. Right click on HTML and say new folder. We've done this many times.
It's not gonna.
Catch your screen disappeared. Can you, I know
Let
it's
me share my.
I know it's in desktop.
I'm using this. Let me share it again. I don't know why you're on top. Yeah.
If your file name folder name has space, you're wrong. You read it again. Everything. Listen. This is.
I'm sharing my screen.
Let me say this again. Everything you're doing here should be all your file name folder name should be lowercase. Don't try uppercase and don't give space in folder name and file name. It will mess you up one day.
My this is not new folder.
Type now. It's created now.
CSS.
Enter.
Then what else?
Click on
Nothing is
HTML.
showing.
It didn't show. I'll come back to you.
After creating the folder CSS, what else?
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I
Me?
can.
Create a folder called class 1. Class underscore 1. Class underscore 1. You can achieve out your screen. Why is the folder not creating?
New folder.
No, don't worry.
Yes.
Don't worry. If it doesn't happen, the second one will happen. No need. So go to this folder. You just create it now. Actually, the HTML folder.
Which one is that?
The HTML folder.
No.
It's been there. Okay. Click on asset. Let me see. Nothing. Okay.
I do
Right.
this Control S.
I know. Cancel.
Cancel. Okay.
Just hit enter.
So what should I do now?
Right click on HTML.
Okay.
Don't do anything. Find folder. Finding folder. Oh no.
Okay.
Sorry, that's wrong. Do it again. I'm looking for the folder in your file. Open your file explorer. Let's look for this folder. Don't worry. Right click on intro HTML. Let me see. No, not that one. Right click for intro.html. Open containing folder. Okay. So go to open my Meta screen. I see that the CSS is here, but not showing on your Sublime text.
No.
Abi?
Yeah, it's not showing.
But why? Open it, let me see.
Empty folder.
So why not showing Sublime text? Why is Sublime text not updating your folder? We cancel out you see that update available, cancel it. That's the reason now. I don't show you. That was blocking it. So go and rename your CSS to lowercase while I continue my class.
I should do.
Make it lowercase. Rename it to lowercase.
Okay. So under the CSS, so we should create a file.
A folder, on that folder, called class_1.
Okay.
And then inside class_1, create a file called index.html. For instance, right click is your friend. No, you save actually you control S first. Once it's a file, you control S first. Are we here? Are we here? Just keep doing what I'm doing. Catch are you here?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Can you see my screen? If you're done here, guys, you go back to my screen and see what I'm doing. So you follow suit. My screens are top.
Right.
Catch are you using desktop or using web?
I'm using desktop.
So you shouldn't be having issue with seeing my screen now. Check, I sent it on WhatsApp. Check what I sent on WhatsApp. How to see my screen.
I want to expand this thing. That's
The tiles, you see that arrow facing up and down. Click on it to activate. Then at the
I'm seeing your screen.
top. All right, so back to my screen. So generate this and then do this. All right, let's go. Okay. Let me stylishly show you people need you don't know along the line. Section tag. So there are three what we call semantic tags. They call them header tag. I'll start with that. Okay. I'll start with that today. Header, section, and maybe footer. Don't mind the grammar, eh? Not too much. Ideally, your navbar is supposed to be inside the header tag. What's even navbar self? We'll learn as time goes on. But let me show you what the navbar looks like. Okay, let me use you. I was working on a landing page for this project, but there's been a change in plan, so I may not be finishing the landing page. I'll convert it to something else. Let me show you what the navbar looks like. Well, any for the website here, pages, index. So look at this work what I'm working on. Are you seeing this? Can you see my work? Can you see my screen, everybody?
Yes.
So you see this part? We have Kodibuchi, courses, blah blah. This button is called navbar. It's called what?
Navbar.
Navbar. Perfect. So if you, most site has it. Okay, so do it in a navbar should be structured. If you open on that site now, okay, this is navbar. This is open, I see navbar. Let me try to share navbar. This is one navbar. See here, here. Any site I open, you will see navbar. Unless that site has a B, you can navbar. And in modern website, most navbar are statically placed. It does not scroll with your page. All right. So this navbar, so this let me go with my class. So most navbar stays inside the header tag. Most, but it's not compulsory, but it's necessary. All right. So that's something if we did if something please and give us an assignment. I work accumulating. Okay, so now as we learn CSS, we'll be building out a full-blown website stylishly. All right. So this is an navbar. Now, then most of your content will go inside the section. Then footer is the bottom of your site, your closing credits. Let me explain that. Now, if you look at this site I'm on now, this is like the footer, all these parts. Let me get a more. You won't see anything I put on this website. Okay, they have. I see this, their footer, the bottom part, where you have sometimes you have contact, quick links, social media handles, or you're on the footer. I put it.
Okay.
Yeah. So footer goes in here. Then most of the sites. So in most sites you can have multiple sections. All right. I will show you that
Okay.
the first website I showed you is in my system. The code of the website is in my system. This side I don't have a footer for it yet, but because I paused the project. All right. But now if I open the code and show you, if I let me open the code and show you, they're nothing different from what we're learning right now. I didn't do anything advanced. I plan to use HTML only on this site so people can see what you can achieve along with HTML. Okay. Forget that thing. So if you can see the site, this is the index. You see that there is, if I scroll up, I see header. Sorry, if you can see my screen, guys, you can see header. You can see section.
Yeah.
So you can have multiple section in the site, as many as you want to have. I want to show you this. So now let's talk about CSS properly. I'll just leave one. All right, I'm leaving one only. Forget the fact I did many. So what is CSS in the first place? Follow me on. You understand? CSS is cascading style sheet, but we will not start learning this class from CSS. We'll start what we call inline CSS. Sorry. In fact, let me make a note properly. So there are three ways of doing CSS in Java in web page. All right. Number one way is inline CSS. Most developers they frown at this because it makes your work dirty. But the truth is, you must learn how to do it because there are times you need it. Next one is what happened? Internal CSS. And the last one is external CSS or style sheet. All right. And I say we'll start with this. Okay, so inline CSS. Okay. Let me try to mimic a number. Just a mimic. All right. Matter of fact, let me try to stick my outline. Let me be disciplined. All right. So let me say I have an A tag. And I say go to Gucci. Let me do a tag called strong. Watch me on. I'm moving this inside a strong tag. All right. And then I save. If I preview this, code will be showing me live. All right. And then I go ahead and I say UL tag. Sorry, li home courses. Register. No, about contacts. I save, I refresh. All right. Here, let me convert this to it. If you play Bamba, so sorry. I'll make a lot of edits in between. So I'm going to wipe this out and take it again. It's faster that way. You can stop and watch me after writing right. So you don't do a lot of edits and get your code messed up. All right. Home courses, about, and then contacts. All right. If I refresh this, all right, here we go. But I won't stop there. I'm going to do something else at the end outside this URL tag. Can I make it display so that it's clear to you guys? Let me do, okay. Let I put in a div or not? I put in a div. All right, that's a button.
So why do you put them in div? Like this? If without a div, won't the code still?
Okay, so the what? Let me see. A div is helps you to segment things properly. Now, when we go further, you learn I will teach you what to call block element and inline element. A div is a block element. You can easily convert a block element to inline element, but it is harder to convert inline to block. So if I want to flex this into a flex box, div will easily align. So div is just a segmentation tag to divide the tag to segments. As you go forward in use of div, you understand the core. Number one is a block element, and it's easier to manipulate a div than to manipulate a button sitting on its own. Do you get my point now? If inside a div, I can manipulate a div, which is the parent, to behave the way I want it to behave, using flexbox and other things. All right. This should need to be also be a button. Sorry about the button. Okay, for the sake of the class, I'll make it a button. It will be a button after now. I'll make it login. Then I'll make this one sign up. Sign up means register. Hope you know. Sign up means register. Sign in means login. All right, so I see that on the screen. So so you see, because they're inside the same div, they're on the same line. That was in the div just for you. If I put, okay, no, anyway, let me not cap too much. Let's go straight to the point. So if you're not written this, write it. People are laughing at my Patagon slangs. Write this. We have 2 minutes left. So we'll start doing CSS. I just do only the header tag. We'll do the section later and footer. Most of our lesson today will contain there.